Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. My husband decided to stay on top of Coupon and Crystal. So he was like, do you want to go and do your rebates tonight? And I was like, yeah, I probably should. I wanted to complete my weekend warrior bonus. I only got $1 for completing 10 rebates. And then I got that confetti cash bonus, giving me back $5 for doing 8 rebates. So that was the one that I was really most excited about, but they are stacking, so that is great. So let's jump into the haul, guys. First rebate that I decided to do, guys, was on the Ocean Spray. This is a product that I purchased anyway, so this makes for a great deal. The Ocean Spray is priced $2.78 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.78 for the Ocean Spray. And the cran grape is my favorite. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was not an Ibotta rebate, but it is a great deal on the Nestle Pure Life water. All right, this is priced $1 in my Walmart. When you scan in the store and you upload your receipt through Shopkick, it's going to give you back $1.06, making the water free and a 6-cent moneymaker. So I could not turn that down, guys. This is a 1.14 fluid ounce jug of water. Now, for the higher count water, they also have the 32 pack of water, and it was priced $3.98 in my Walmart. Now, if you decided to get that one and you scanned in store and uploaded your receipt, you would get $2.26 back from Shopkick, making your final cost $1.72 for a 32 pack of water. I think that is amazing. Now, we are brand loyal to Aquafina. I just prefer Aquafina. Now, this right here is fine. I'll put it in my pantry and use it for, cooking or something, but it's not my preferred brand of water, so I decided to skip that. Okay, I may do it in the future, but not today. Next rebate I had to do was my Haagen Dazs ice cream, guys. The vanilla bean, which is delicious. Okay, Haagen Dazs is priced $3.48 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.48 in store. But there is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $2.48 for the Haagen Dazs. Yeah, that's a good deal because that's my ice cream right there. Okay. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Campbell's Soup. This is the condensed cream of mushroom Campbell's Soup, that is. They're priced 94 cents in my Walmart. Now, for this rebate, you must purchase 4, okay? So that's a total of $3.76 for the 4 cans, all right? I'm going to pay $3.76 in store. I'm going to get back $1 from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.76 for the 4 cans. I think that's a great deal because I purchased this product anyway, guys. I'm always using it to make gravy or to put it in casseroles, different dishes that I make. Now, I like to mix this cream mushroom soup along with a pack of the beefy onion soup mix by Lipton. Makes a really good gravy, guys. The next rebate I decided to do was my Palmer's. Okay, now let me tell you about this product, guys. As you can see, my hair is not twisted up. Okay, I know it's looking a hot mess, but I didn't feel like twisting my hair last night. I just washed it, but I did finally use this product, guys, and it's priced $3.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.88 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.88 for this product. Now, I really do like this product. So I've got quite a few jars from doing this rebate, and I'm going to continue to do it because I do like the consistency of it. It puts you in the mind of coconut oil. Okay, if you are a natural hair person and you put coconut oil on your hair, that is what this kind of reminds me of, the consistency of it. I like it. Okay, like it. Let me know in the comments below if you like this product, but I like it. Next rebate I decided to get was my snack pack. I did my snack pack again. It's a cheap rebate and it's always a great item. And this is going on the pantry door, okay? If you did not see my video that I uploaded yesterday showing the pantry organization for the Ibotta snacks, for your snacks, this is going on the pantry door because I can fit probably 2 of these in one pocket, okay? So go check that video out, guys. Yes, I'll link it above. Snack pack is priced $1 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1 in store. But there is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 75 cents. Some people do have higher value rebates for this product. You know, that may vary, but mine seems to continuously be 25 cents. I'm okay with that. Next product I decided to get. I love that this keeps resetting. This is the Colgate 3-pack and it's priced $3.96 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.96 in store. That $3 Ibotta rebate comes off, making the final cost 96 cents. Now, I know some of you guys told me in another video that coupons.com coupon works with this one, and it does not, okay? Not for me. Because I scanned it and I'm going to put a screenshot in so you guys can see that it says it does not match that product, okay? So how'd y'all get it back? Because I ain't getting it back on that, okay? And I don't have any paper coupons. So I'm good with paying 96 cents for 3 packs of toothpaste, considering it's Ibotta money that I rolled anyway. I'm just saying. The next rebate I did was on my Chips Ahoy's. I've had quite a few conversations about these cookies, okay? Now, these are made with Hershey's milk chocolate, so I'm curious to see why they're making it seem like it's made with anything beyond that, but you know, okay, but whatever. I like to heat these up in the microwave. Do y'all do that? They're really good when you do that. So these were priced $2.74. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.74 in store. That $1 Ibotta rebate coming back makes the final cost only $1.74 for the Chips Ahoy's. I really like these things, guys. But I must say though, now this is showing my age because I am 47. I'm going to be 48 this year. Do you guys remember when Chips Ahoy used to have the roll-up bag, the little roll-up bag? You know, they done got advanced now. They got the pull-up resealable bag, which I like that. But let's just address the elephant in the room. Products get smaller as the years pass because a pack of Chips Ahoy's used to be bigger than this. I'm just saying. My mama used to buy these, and I remember. They change stuff as time passes, stuff gets smaller and smaller and smaller. All right, so the next rebate I decided to do was on the Persil. I don't care about not having a coupon. This is a great deal because I'm paying with Ibotta money, okay? Why would I not get laundry detergent? So this is priced $4.94 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $4.94 in store, but I got back $2, making the final cost $2.94. Now, I've seen all those Gain rebates, those doggone Tide rebate on there. We've got Gain fabric softener. We've got Wrinkle Guard. I'm just mad I don't have no coupons for that stuff because I would love to get those rebates, guys. All right. This video is all over the place tonight. All right, the total of everything, guys. Very few products, but I think I was selective and strategic, and I got good stuff. Good stuff because you know I like to get food. All right, so let's talk about the numbers. Everything cost me $27.54. I did not have one coupon, guys. Now, I did redeem a $5 Shop Kit gift card, so that dropped my cost in the store to $22.54. What did I get back from Ibotta? I got back $11.35 in rebates. Yes. And I did accomplish my 2 bonuses. I got my $1 back for completing the Weekend Warrior. Had to do 10 rebates for that. And I did complete the confetti cash bonus, which was 8 rebates giving me back $5. Was super excited about that. Dropped my cost down to $5.19. Now, I do expect to get $1.06 back from Shopkick, making the final cost $4.13, guys. For 12 products, that is 34 cents per item. Amazing. That is wonderful, guys, because I got laundry and I got cookies. I got free water. I got toothpaste. I got juice. Guys, I got so much juice in my pantry. Just saying, I'm stocking up on juice. And it's all thanks to Ibotta. Guys, that is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If I don't talk to you guys tomorrow, I hope you have a wonderful, blessed Mother's Day, guys. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I appreciate you guys so very much. I hope you enjoy your day. Be blessed. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.